Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can pay with Klarna on Aliexpress. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, it's a simple step. Simply go ahead, open up your Aliexpress app, make sure you're signed in as well. Now go ahead, add any product to your cart, or if you can simply go to your cart and access to the checkout. Right, simply get your product and go to the checkout section. And once you're over here, tap on this option of place order. Then once you do that, this payment method gonna pop up. So for the Klarna option, and for some reason, if it allows you to access Klarna as a payment method for this websites and apps, then you will find them listing right over here. Like for example, the PayPal as well. If it allows, go ahead, tap on it, tap on confirm, add in your details more, confirm the order and place it. If it does not, then simply tap on this add a new card and tap on confirm. Here as well, you can choose to simply scan your particular Klarna card and add in the information accordingly. Tap save and confirm. That way you will be able to make a purchase using Klarna on Aliexpress, and you can do that other products as well likewise. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.